Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can search using images on Google. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So let's say that you want to search for something on Google, but the problem is you don't know the name of it, and you only have the image. Don't worry guys, there's actually a way to search for it, as long as you have the image. Let me show you how. So let's say that you want to search for the name of these shoes in this image, for example. So to search for it, it's simple, you just need to go to your Google Chrome. And once you're on your Google Chrome, next, I want you to make sure that you are on your Chrome's Home tab. If you're not, then just tap this home icon right here. And after tapping it, you will now be on your Chrome's Home tab. So here on Chrome's Home tab, you will then be able to see this camera-like icon just beside the search bar of your Google. So this icon is called Google Lens. So Google Lens is used to search using images instead of words. You can take a photo or use an existing one, and it will find information related to what's in the image. So to use Google Lens, just go and tap it. And right here, you can now select the image that you want to search. And after selecting the image, Google Lens will now start the scanning process to find Google information related to the image, so just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now be able to see all the information related to the image on Google, so it's just the same as searching it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.